Hey guys,
Welcome back to our video.
today we're mixing
Slime.
this delight slime. It was very ooey and gooey, and then this hard dark slime that I tried to make a butter slime. So the light one is fluffy, the dark one is clay, and we named it Moon Key. The little key charm.
Yep.
Okay, so let's start mixing. Well, we kind of started mixing it, but like here, let's keep on mixing. So this was the container that was for the light slime, the fluffy slime, and this was the container for the clay slime.
Yeah, clay.
It's starting to feel really soft now. It feels super nice.
Whoa,
But it is very dark.
Moon.
It looks like the darkness outside right now because it's nighttime right now. So it looks like the darkness outside. I think it's almost ready.
Yeah. And then
There's glitter in the light one, so yeah. Okay. Isn't that pretty, Cookie?
Yes, it's super pretty. It's like pretty like Fancy's earrings. Could I touch it?
Cookie?
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Look how it looks inside here. Look, it looks pretty inside here. Oh my.
How does it feel, Cookie?
Good. I just want to put it all over my body, but I can't.
It does feel really soft.
Yeah. So
okay, I'm gonna show them how to make a bun. Okay?
Okay. I know how. I think.
No. Cookie, you're gonna get it everywhere. Here. Okay.
There we go.
Are you covering the camera?
No.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay, this is huge now. Very.
Okay, put it up so they can see.
Can they see it?
Yes, because I put it up.
Okay. Okay. Huge bun. You guys see that? Now I make the bubble pops. Oh, they sound so good. And the clicks are very good too. We just need to test out one thing. Cookie, what I need you to do is go get the butter. You know what? No, it's not safe. I'll get the butter knife. And you could show them my other slimes. Guys, it's a little crooked. So we kind of put it on top of Cookie's jacket so you guys could see it. Okay.
Guys, this is strawberry cake. You can see it. This is grape cake. You can see it. Can you?
Okay, I got the butter knife to show you guys why is this here. To show you guys if it's really a good butter knife. Hold a Cookie here.
I'll hold it over here.
That, my friends, is a very good
Very
great
smooth.
butter slime.
It
Look at that. Isn't that just...
It looks like a big blueberry.
It does. Should we name it? What should we name it? Comment down below what we should name it, guys.
I know.
Besides Moon Key, since it's not both of them anymore. Like this video, subscribe. I think I've said this already. Comment down below what we should do next. If we should mix all of our slimes together. If we should make a giant slime maybe. Or something that's not slime related. Like, what is it called? What is it called? Like, reviews on stuff. Like stuff. And we'll see you guys next time.
Goodbye.